So this is Blok Studio. We're out here in Joshuatree, California. We build houses and accessory dwelling units out of shipping containers. And in this video, I'm going to show you a personal 4-container I did for AirBNB and also for my own personal vacation spot to get away. And so I have about an acre here. And so you can see, you know, I did basically I did a 4-container build. So it's 4 40-foot high cube shipping containers. It's about 1,300 square feet of living space, and then I also built about a 1,400 square foot deck, so it gives you a lot of interior and exterior living space. So we'll take a tour and we'll go around the back and I'll show you what we've done. I looked at a lot of properties out here in Joshuatree, and I really just kind of fell in love with this property. So the first thing when I came out here was just looking at like the amazing views. You know, in addition to that, it's just in a great location. It's about 5 minutes from the downtown Joshuatree area, and it's probably, I don't know, maybe 6 to 7 minutes up Quail Springs Road, if you can actually see it, right up to the Joshuatree National Park, which makes it an ideal location. In addition to the amazing views we have out here in the back, I also built this. It's about a 1,400 square foot deck that wraps around the entire property. So it gives you plenty of outdoor living space. So as you can see here, we have the outdoor deck chairs for out in the sun. You know, obviously the pool, it's a 20-foot container pool. It's awesome. You know, we have a barbecue out in the back, a hot tub. You know, plenty of, you know, we got the umbrellas for shade when it's hot out here in the summer. It's amazing, you should check it out. So this is about 1,300 square feet of living space. And so, as you can see, what I like to do with containers, if you look at this one, I wanted to build it with a lot of windows to let in a lot of natural light. So if you pan around, the windows are a little larger than what we typically build on container homes. It opens the place up. I wanted to do something that looked very modern and had an open concept to the backdrop of the views. The kitchen we did with, you know, a little higher end stainless steel Thermador appliances. Gives it a very modern feel. So one of the main reasons people come out to Joshuatree is they want to come out and look at the stars. And what we did in the master bedroom is that we built a skylight over the king-size bed, which makes it really amazing looking up at the stars while you're falling asleep. Property sleeps 6. You know, we have the master bedroom has a king-size bed, the guest room has a queen-size bed, and we also have a queen-size sleeper sofa that's super comfortable. Some of the common questions people have about shipping container homes, things that we hear, things I've heard over the years. One thing that people will ask, does it get super hot or does it get super cold? And what we do is all of the container homes that we build have 3 to 4 inches of closed cell spray foam insulation. So it stays warm in the winter. We're out here and I think it was raining and snowing and it's 75 degrees in here. In the summer, it gets super cool. So it's very comfortable all seasons. So I'm super excited about this build. I'm very happy the way it turned out. I have other properties that I'm looking to build as well. We're looking up at Yosemite, California, for all you snowboarders, Mammoth Lakes, California, for some personal projects that I'm working on. We also have a number of customer builds that we're doing, from single containers, double containers, 2-story containers. There's a variety of things for people to check out. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, Blok Studio. So wait, one more thing. Is a lot of these houses, or all these houses on AirBNB, have one of those cute little names, which I haven't come up with. So we've been kicking a few different names around. And so if you have a suggestion, leave it in the comment section. You know, those like, you know, Desert Oasis, House in the Boulders, Boulder House, all that stuff. So if you come up with a name, leave it in the comment section. If we decide to use it, I'm more than happy to, I don't know, maybe we'll give you a weekend stay out here on us. So like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one. Blok Studio.